I want him to see and fully experience everything that the outdoors has to offer, and all the lessons that it can teach you. And I just feel like when you throw a kid in the corner of a ground blind and let him play an iPad and then climb on your lap and shoot a turkey, he's not learning all those lessons. He's not getting all those experiences, the birds and the owls and the turkeys gobbling and all that kind of stuff outside. But B, I think it's kind of teaching them the wrong idea that turkey hunting's easy. It's kind of like a video game. You just wake up from your nap and shoot one and then take pics for Instagram and it's over with.